What's going on YouTube? Your boy Cool Kicks, Shoe Palace, clearance store, 25% off. Let's go look. Got a couple of Jordan 1s right here, 170. Do get 20% off. This is size 14 though. 170. Do you get that 25 off? I guess deals for big feet gang because this is size 14 as well. So, but yeah, 170. Get that 25 off. Then I actually tried these out. I didn't like the way they looked, like from the top. I wasn't a fan of that, so I did not pull the trigger. $75 for that. That's insane. That's insane. I think there's like a district manager here or something. They're doing a walkthrough. $70 for these bad boys right here. Remember, it is 25 off everything. $100 for these React Milers. These have full-length React on these bad boys. These are going for 70. That's a size 13 though. Presto's going for 90. 19 lows, $100. Couple different colorways. Then they got 20s. They have more colorways of the 20s. It's on the other side though. Air Max 97s. This is size 10 sunset colorway going for $100. Got Prestos right above that going for 80. Air Max 270s for $100. This is another LeBron right here, 140 on the 2021s. I got these yellow ones as well for $140. Chucks right here, big feet gang, $20. By 20 I mean $15 after discount. That's hella cheap. These Vans for 20 as well. Size 13 for big feet gang. Size 12 right here. Got some old schools right here, go for 40. Some suede ones right here. Or suede toe at least, because side is canvas. 40 for those. 40 for these. And then some skate lows right here, go for 40. I did miss these Chuck 70s right here with that upgraded material. Kind of colors, kind of whatever though. $20, big feet gang, size 12s. And then got these. They look all custom. But yeah, these bad boys, these will go for regular price, $75. More Chuck 70s going for $20 right here. That is crazy. That's crazy. That's definitely the lowest price we've ever seen Chuck 70s. Especially you get that 20% off or 25% off. Seems like every Puma suede's on sale going for 30. That's a size 13 on display. These all red ones, size 9.5 on display, going for $30. 40 for these with the camo on the side. Multicolor suede one right here going for 40. And these big old boats, size 13, go for $30 as well. I guess not everything's on sale. These are going for 70. Okay. Big feet gang, y'all need to check this spot out because look at this. These are some D Rose. Are these the 11s? Or the 2011s? I don't know. But dude got these bad boys. Look, $20 freaking. This is size 13. $20. Then you get that extra 25, so $15 for those. Oh my god, these are awful. I'm such not a fan of these. These are down to $50 though, as they should be. I got these forms right here. These are interesting. I don't know what the hell. I don't think I've ever seen these, but no price tag. But you know they're on sale. These Rivals right here down to $60. Trae Young 2s down here down to $50. These Rivals going for $60. St. Vincent St. Mary's colorway of these T-Max right here. These are the T-Mac 1s. $70 for these. White with gum NMDs right here, go down to 70. And these Ultra Boosts, we've been seeing these on sale everywhere. Look, $50. $50 freaking dollars. Are you serious? You're gonna get another 25 out. That's what, $35? Holy crap. Is this the same one? Same one? It looks like the same one. This one's listed as 110, so. And this is size 11. Definitely ask about that. That's crazy. Trae Young 2s going for $35 after the discount. That's crazy cheap. Pretty much same as Ross. Even got apparel here going for women right here. These are $30 for those shorts. Remember, you get an extra 25% off everything. Got this Jordan jersey right here. $35 for those. Looks like they got them in various sizes. Also got these black ones right here. Yeah, these, I don't know the price of these though. Oh, those are $40 for those. Okay. All right, I came to another section. That's hilarious. Look, that one says $79.98. All of them have different prices, 3 different displays, 3 different prices. That's just hilarious. Superstars down to $50. That's not one of the OG ones, obviously. $85 for these OG ones. Ultra Boost right here. Look at this. Look at this. $90. You get that extra 20% off. That's like what, 70 something dollars? That's not bad. More Trae Youngs right here, down to 50 before the discount. Air Max 95s at $130. Hirachis, Prestos in a colorway that we haven't seen. $70. 70 for those. This is what I was hoping would go down even more. These were 75 is hella legit, but I'm like, when would I wear this? I don't really have any orange clothing. Guess you could wear this with all white or all black or something, but I don't know, not my thing. But yeah, Air Moa Tempos, at least they're going down in price. So I'm a fan of every Air Moa Tempo. Obviously certain colorways are better than others, but I'm a huge fan of that silhouette. $100 for the penny 2s right there. And then Juice still got these Dornbeckers. I did grab a pair of these just because they were $35. Will I wear? I don't know. I tend to buy way too much crap. That's why I'm trying to cut down on buying stuff, you guys. Like, it's just gotten insane. Pegasus 39s right here going for $80. That's a hell of a price at a retail store. But I guess technically this isn't a retail store, right? This is not. Does this already look aged already? Like it comes like that? Do got these Air Flights right here. $80 for those. $80 for these trainers right here as well. I did check this one to see if it's on sale. Nah, not yet. Not yet. If this was 100, I'd have to think about it. Especially 100, you get that extra 25 off. I definitely have to think about that one. Looks like they got smaller sizes in these bad boys right here. The barbershop LeBron 2s go for $100, and still got these for 100 as well. This is for big feet gang too, though. So I think these are like a size 13. Checking out some more apparel. Look at this. Look at this North Face. North Face down to $20. North Face shorts, that's pretty fire. And then Shoe Palace brand shorts go for $10. I think all these are listed for 20. That brings it down to 15. The Hulkamania Hulk Hogan shorts right here, pretty fire. What is this? Oh, these are from, dang, what show was that? The HBO show, The Sopranos. $20 for those shorts. And then they got this one. This is like super soft. Super soft. Mason article. I think these still show $35 for these bad boys. $30 for these Laker shirts. JDI shirts under $20. Oh, these are pretty cool. Los Lakers shirts right here. $20 for these. These are actually pretty fire. That's actually pretty fire. Especially since they're down to 15 with the extra discount. $20 for this. I think I'm done. Wait, we gotta take a look at this real quick. I was like, I see a Dornbecker tag. I did see a Dornbecker tag. Which one is this for, though? Which one is this for? I don't really know all of them like that. But it is Tech Fleece with a little bit of orange on the bottom. Oh yeah, that's kind of whatever, dude. Kind of whatever. It is a size large. Normally 110 down to 75, and then you get that extra discount on top. Definitely worth stopping by if you guys need something, shopping and stuff like that. I think they're open for 3 more weeks, maybe longer. I don't think they have a final decision. All right, let's go across the street real quick. All right, lately I've been hitting up a ton of Ross. Never stopped by this one. Let's go. I'm like, they got a bunch of Lakers stuff. No, it's the cheesy stuff right here. You know, not bad if like, you know what I'm saying? If that's, you know, all you got $20, it's not bad. We've seen doper even at Ross. That's my thing. We've seen Nike apparel, stuff like that. But yeah, dude got these right here. This is a Nike hoodie right here. Who pays $75 for this? Bunch of flowers and stuff, down to $25. Los Angelino Angels? What the hell? $15. I always forget the Angels are technically an LA team. That's what they supposedly say. Not really. But yeah, they got Nike running shirt right here down to $17. Oh, Nike swim 40 down to 17. Under Armour vest. Got a baby crying in the background. Baby crying loud as hell, dude. $50 for this. Normally $130 for a vest? Really? All right, I did peruse through pretty much all the rest of the active tops. Didn't really find much. Active shorts, nothing. Active pants, nothing. Fleece, not much. Outerwear, just nothing to show y'all. All right, let's move on to the sneakers right here. Got some smiley face slippers. Cozy foam, $9. Classic leathers, going for 30. Timberlands right here, going for 50. Crocs with the lining inside. These are down to 30. Got these things. I've been buying so many of these for various family members. This is size 11 down to 10 bucks. Those started at 50. Nike Kukunis going for $60. Way too much. These some Pro Keds. Pro Keds, I ain't seen these in forever. $9. See-through Crocs. See-through Crocs. Size 8. 25 bucks, man. 25 bucks if you want your toes to show. These type of slippers right here. What's the price of these? There's no price on it. They're cheap. They're cheap. Big Feet Gang, not really much to show you guys. They still do have the Jordan 1 high. What are those? The True Blues right there. In unhuman sizes right there. Crocs with flowers on it. 25. These are size 13. Checking the women's section. Apparently these are pink, so they threw them in the women's section. 37 for these huge size 11.5. Some more of these clear Crocs. Going for $25. Got these with the smaller holes. These are going for 25 as well. And then pineapple ones, 25 as well. This is the current sneaker room right now. Doing a collection video, man. It's just so time consuming. I do need to do one. I got all kinds of stuff on the ground right here that I was supposed to do giveaways and stuff with Bossco, but like it's hard to coordinate all that stuff. Maybe I'll do giveaways during Christmas. I don't know. But yeah, not the easiest task to do a collection video, I'm telling you. I think my last one took like 6-7 hours. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. That's the Ross across the street. That's also the Shoe Palace right here. The Shoe Palace clearance store. I think they're open for at least another 3 more weeks. They said they might be open for longer. Don't really know exactly quite yet. And that's kind of what happens when stores close. Like, it's minute by minute decision. So yeah, definitely worth visiting if you need some budget stuff. They don't have like the most hyped items, but definitely worth it. I didn't see any of those Reebok Iversons that I showed a few videos ago, but yeah, I was able to grab one, so hopefully you guys were able to as well. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for making it to the end, you guys. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new, subscribe, and make sure you smash that notification button, because you know I do drop a ton of videos, so hopefully you guys know that. And got plenty coming, you guys. Got plenty coming. If you guys really want to support the channel, make sure you guys check out the membership. If you guys would like to donate, you know, like all these bigger channels, they got Patreon, stuff like that. You know, I'm just trying to help supplement my gas, that type of stuff. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.